Hi, good team. Steve Hamill, Director of Operations for Populist Cleaning here with Attraction Tidbit. Thank you for choosing Populist. You could have chosen to work for a lot of different people, but you chose Populist. And not only did you choose Populist, but we also chose you. In the interview process, we saw the light of our core values in you. And as you live out those core values, not only do you make life better for your coworkers, and we hope for yourself by working for Populist, but you also make the life better for our customers. As you live out commitment, that is, you are committed to the job, to the task at hand. You are committed to being on time and showing up every day. You're committed to the workload that has been given you. You are working hard. Hard work. This industry is tough, and we are called to work hard. That is, to work smart, which means you are picking the right routes and using your time wisely. And you are working vigorously, meaning that you are regularly working. You are constantly working during the times you're to work. You show respect to yourself, to others, and the customer. And you are a professional. And we're going to help you learn to clean the Populist way. We're going to help you to have the proper apparel and PPE. But as you wear what you're supposed to wear, and as you do what you're supposed to do, and as you hold yourself with dignity, you are professional. Thank you for being a part of the Populist team. We're excited for the days ahead.